homies?
What up, Carl?
What the fuck is going on? Do I look like a hooker to you?
What?
Those assholes keep saying shit to me.
Who said this to you?
The construction workers up that hill.
I'ma fuck them up.
Nah, hold up. I got this. I need to go teach him a little respect, huh?
That's right.
Yeah. I've been thinking about getting me some new land anyway. Ah, no!
My girlfriend gave me the cooties.
Warm it up, Kane. Warm it up, CJ. Warm it up, Kane. Bullshit!
Hey, where's your hard hat?
Damn! I don't need this shit! Oh, fuck! Shit!
Move it.
You in a rush?
Doom, 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 doom.
You're like totally blocking the road.
No!
You idiot!
What's going on? Why am I stopped?
make me hurt! Hey! I ought to kick your ass. Bring it on, buddy.
I'm having this.
I can't believe this. Learn how to drive.
What's all that damn clatter? Holy crap, I didn't see nothing!
Let's see what you got, douchebag.
Oh God, no!
Head to a 1037, North Doherty. Suspect last seen on foot.
Darling, I got what you need. Hey, Caesar. The Yay leaving San Fierro, right?
Right, but they're using bikes, CJ, and they go cross-country.
Not right now. I gotta check into some shit. Yeah, what?
Sorry, Carl, are you busy?
Zero? Nah, man, good to hear from you. What's up?
Disaster. My landlord is selling the shop. I'll have nowhere to live, and no safe haven from Berkeley.
Ah, I'm looking to invest in some property at the moment. Maybe I'll swing by.
I'm feeling better now.
I look forward to becoming a lawyer.
Yeah, what?
Yo, man, it's Jethro, dude.
Hey, Jethro, what up?
Well, I was talking to Caesar, and, don't get me wrong, dude. I mean, you are one out there dude when it comes to driving, man. But Caesar, he told us how many cars you get through, dude. And me and Dwayne were like, whoa!
What is your point, Jethro?
No point, man, no point. Just that there's an advanced driving school, like, just up the road from the garage, man. Like in Doherty.
Driving school? Man, exactly what you trying to say, man?
Nothing, man, nothing. It was Dwayne's idea. I think you're, you know, cool and shit. I better go, CJ. I'll see you later.
I'm feeling better now.